Ever come across a jewelry website that looks perfect at first glance, but something feels slightly off? That is the exact situation with Pangama Jewelry in 2026. And the truth is not as simple as calling it completely legit or a scam. After analyzing customer feedback, product listings, and overall buyer experiences, a mixed picture starts to appear. On one hand, the designs are modern, stylish, and priced in a way that attracts attention quickly, especially for buyers looking for affordable options. Some customers report that the items they received matched the images and looked decent initially, which creates a positive first impression. However, the consistency becomes questionable when you look deeper. Several buyers mention that shipping can take longer than expected, sometimes extending well beyond the estimated delivery time. When it comes to quality, the feedback is divided. A portion of customers feel the jewelry is acceptable for the price, while others claim it feels cheap, loses its shine quickly, or does not hold up with regular use. Customer support also seems unreliable, with some users receiving replies while others struggle to get any response, particularly when asking for refunds or returns. So is Pangama Jewelry worth it? It does not clearly fall into the scam category, but it also does not build strong trust as a reliable brand. If you are willing to take a small risk for lower-priced fashion jewelry, it might be acceptable, but if you're expecting long-lasting quality and dependable service, it is better to be cautious before making a purchase.